Hey guys, so we made it here, my local store. It's called Awash, and so we're gonna go in and do our shopping and meet the owner, who is a friend of mine. I'm really excited to see him. So we want to take you guys with us. And this is where you would find anything you would like to get, spices and injera, what we talked about. And so if you want to try something like that, you want to find out a specialty, which is Ethiopian or Eritrean store in your local area. So, but come on in, we'll show you guys around. All right, hey guys, so we are at Awash, and I am here with my friend, Barrio.
Barrio.
That's
yes.
what we call him. And we've known each other forever. So we're inside his store, and he's gonna show me around his store all the different things that they have. We're gonna cook and eat, so I'm super excited. All right?
Yes, welcome.
So thank you. Show us what you got in here.
So we got this is the two kind of javana in Ethiopia.
Okay.
That's the Ethiopian javana. That's how you make the coffee. This is the coffee pot.
Okay.
There's two kind of coffee pot. I mean, there's the same style but bigger.
Okay.
So each tribe they have their own
different.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a coffee pot, but we call it javana, as you know.
Yeah.
So then we have this right here. That's for the kid or you serve with this.
Oh,
you don't
food.
make you serve food with this one. So
awesome.
this is as a souvenir. You just keep it at your house. It's made out of clay.
And it's all these are made out of clay.
This everything right here that you see, except those, the pyramid and those, that's the only one that made
out of wood.
Yeah, the rest is like made out of clays.
Okay.
This is you cook at home.
People can come and shop here if they want like a traditional things, right?
Yes, of course.
So you have jebin and stuff.
Yes.
You also have, I mean, these are special made. They come from back home, right?
100%.
So you can't just go to the store and get them in America. They're specifically on stores like here. It has to be an Ethiopian or Eritrean store to get them. So it's very specific, right?
Yes. So
cool.
And then we have this one we call it dist. So it's a pot. So you can cook with this actually.
This is for food to cook.
Yes. So you can cook with this one, but you can make it as a traditional, which is you can make this at home.
Okay.
At home, but with the charcoal.
Oh, right.
So you feel like people
home.
made it back home, yes.
Yeah,
because usually we use gas or electric here.
That's right.
So if you have a charcoal, you can put a charcoal here and then you do it. And then you can make churro or whatever you want to cook with the clay.
That's
so you
awesome.
have the Ethiopian flavor and the Ethiopian taste with this.
Yeah. Oh, see?
So usually we make churro with this.
Okay.
We have this the churro.
Yeah.
So
it's different, like in Eritrea, it's like this. But it's a different pot, right?
Yeah, but this one is like because to keep the food warmer and then to have that the smoky taste of the churro or whatever that we make exact back home style. Yeah. So we have all the spices here. This is from Ethiopia, 100%, all of it.
So these spices are like for tea, or is it specifically for food?
This is like for food.
Okay.
Most of it, also you can say it's all.
What is this
food.
thing? This looks like just a brunch.
Yeah, this is like it looks like a brunch, of course, but this is the traditional Ethiopian when you make a honey wine, which is tej or mes.
Oh, so a mes. Okay.
Mes in Tigrinya,
so
or
this is how you make it.
This is the main one.
The main one.
Yeah. So this is called habs.
Okay.
So this is the one.
Okay.
This is to make honey wine.
So honey wine is made usually. How long does it take?
It depends. Okay. Most people like 2 months.
Oh,
yeah.
Wow. Okay.
So the minimum is at least to have to be fermented a month or 2.
Okay.
So to get that fine taste.
And you sell it here, right?
Yes, we sell it here, and then this is straight from back home, as you see it. And then we pack it up. It comes with the sack.
Okay. So it's the same.
Yeah. And then this is the lips for it. This is half lips as well. To make honey wine.
That's the same thing?
Yeah, it's the same thing, but to make sawa or tella.
Tella, okay.
Yes.
So tella is the same as suwa, right?
Sawa and tella is the same.
So it's the
Mes
same thing. Eritrean is called suwa, and in Amharic it's called ella. So it's the same drink. It's like homemade beer, right?
Yeah.
And you have that here?
Yeah, homemade, homemade honey wine and homemade here.
Cool.
So this is like to make a bread. You can spice your bread when you make Ethiopian traditional bread.
Got it.
This is a coriander, and then all the spice that you want from back home. We have it everything here. Like
nice, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
It started from wasabi seeds. You start from wasabi seeds from Ethiopia.
That's amazing.
And then we have something called feto, which is our traditional medicines. We use it for so many stuff. Feto. It's good. So we have feto as well.
Okay.
And then all the spices, the black currants is like, this is the black, you have the black seeds right there, and then we have...
So this is basically everything you would need from making your food, making
this is the
drinks,
base.
right?
When you make shiro, when you make kitfo, this is cardamom.
Put that in there?
Yes. So, but it needs to be grounded.
You have to grind it.
Yes.
So it's a spice.
Yes, it's a spice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that only for kitfo?
And like when you prepare kitfo, when you prepare shiro and berbere, that's one of the spices you put add on. Yes.
I'm learning.
Yes, you are.
So this is
berbere
or berbere.
Yeah.
And berbere, it's kind of the same thing, right? Amharic is called berbere and Tigrinya is called berbere, so it's very similar. So obviously both cultures will use them as the spices, and this is what it looks like. It's very hot, like spicy, right?
Yes,
very spicy,
it is.
Yeah.
And then this is
What
the
is
most
that?
spiciest one, which is called mitmita.
I've never heard of that. I've heard of it, but I don't think we
this
have
is how
this
you
in-
mix the kitfo. You need this when you make a kitfo. This is the one you mix with it. So this is very spicier than the berbere.
So kitfo
This is very
a beef meat.
It's a ground beef, which is our traditional.
And then
food,
this is a special spice that you would need.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you eat this by itself with injera?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Especially when someone crave it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there you go. This spices, and you need injera, and you want really spicy stuff. There you have it.
And then we have this one called fenugreek. This is the fenugreek powder,
Baba.
which is abish.
What is it?
Abish, which is
What's
it's a fenugreek.
Okay. What do you use it for?
For so many things.
Okay.
People actually make it like they drink it as a juice too.
Oh,
like
really?
They prepare it overnight.
Okay.
And then they use it overnight, and
Is
then
it like
they drink
health
it.
for health
yes,
stuff?
Yes, it is.
What's that?
So this is a chickpeas powder, which is called shiro. This is one of the traditional food. I mean, like you can't go without shiro. Like you can't say
this
you're
is like
Ethiopian.
the base powder that main Habesha people have in their home, usually back home, right?
Yep.
And even in abroad, it's very common. So it's called shiro in both cultures. Eritrean is called shiro, and Amharic, in Tigrinya is shiro, and Amharic is shiro. So the same.
And then right now, like during fasting time, people use the chickpeas powder to make for fasting.
What is
they
it,
can
drink?
No. This is like you can cook with this. Actually, it's not a drink. So I know you never cook Ethiopian food, so this is a chickpeas powder actually.
Okay.
So you make shimbrasa with this one. So that's people trying to make one shimbrasa. This is the powder that they need. Which is this is a chickpeas powder.
So this is key when people are fasting.
Yes, I mean during this time.
During this time.
Yeah, which is Abi Tzom. This is
the biggest
Yes, of course.
Like fasting season,
Yes,
like
the
right
fasting
now,
season,
it's like 55 days, right?
Yeah, 55 days,
55
yes.
days, yeah. Okay, awesome.
So this is oat seeds. Most of the time you cannot find it here because mostly they ground them up.
Okay.
So this is the oat, which is aja. Yeah, oat.
So this is the real deal. This is my favorite, right? Because I'm always preaching about oatmeal.
Yeah.
There you go.
So this is the real one.
Habesha oat.
Yep.
You can make this at home. It's very, very healthy. Obviously, you can't find this anywhere, so you would have to come to the specialty.
Yeah.
There you go.
So
Awesome.
that's how it looks like when it's ground them up.
Yeah.
So you make kencha out of it.
What's kencha?
Kencha, which is like you made it for breakfast.
Bread?
Yeah, for breakfast you make, yeah. So this
So you make bread out of it. So you grind it, right? It's the same
this you
thing?
grind it, so it's kind of oat,
Okay.
but it's different. We call it kenche.
Okay.
It's a
Anyways, so you can make bread out of it.
yeah, bread. It's
Special
mostly for breakfast. Yeah.
For breakfast, okay. Then he has all the spices.
It's
of
all the
course.
spices. This turmeric.
Yeah. Is this a snack?
This is a snack which is roasted chickpeas, and then with the sunflower seeds in it. So this is one of like during cold time, like when
Yes.
this is what you need. This is the real one.
This is from back home?
This is 100 from back home. As you see, it is very small.
It's very
American
small.
chickpeas is like
Big. Yeah.
But this is the
It
organ.
has so much flavor, you
Yes,
guys. It's
it is.
really, really delicious.
Yeah.
So you get chickpeas, snack on it when it's cold season, as my friend said.
Yeah.
All right.
So we have, this is all right here. This is like how you make Ethiopian teas.
There you go. This is all the shahi,
All the shahi.
right? Shahi.
So you got
Is
cinnamon.
it called shahi in Amharic?
Shahi, yes, shahi.
Shahi.
You got cinnamon, you got cloves, you got cardamom, and then you got star anise, which is this is.
When you do that.
You make tea, and when you make tea, you mix them up, and then you put it in your bowl.
Do you grind this, or do I just put it?
Just smash it a little bit.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah, so
it looks
this
like
is called
that.
star anise. So this is what you make tea with it.
Okay.
With this.
That's great.
The rest, we have two kind of coffee from here and Colombia and Ethiopia.
This came from Ethiopia.
So this is Yirgachefe coffee actually.
This is, what is it?
It's called a place called Yirgachefe.
I can't.
Yirgachefe. You can say it.
Yirgachefe?
Yirgachefe, that's it. You said it.
What is, so it's an area.
Yeah. So
certain area grows bean, right?
I mean, like there is like each area.
Okay.
Makes like they have their own coffee.
Got
and
it.
then the taste is different as well.
Oh really?
Yeah. This is like when you roast this one, they have that oily, shiny, oily thing, and then.
I have some at home that I bought from you.
So this is 100% from Ethiopia.
Okay.
And then especially this is where you get this from is here on this Yirgachefe coffee.
Yeah.
And this, I'm not gonna explain this. She knows better than me.
Popcorn,
Mbaba and Tigrinya.
What is it called?
Fandisha.
Fandisha?
Fandisha.
Fandisha.
Yeah.
So why do we use ambaba or fandisha in our culture?
Like mostly when you make coffee, and then mostly like to celebrate.
Decoration.
To celebrate and then like to celebrate a good thing.
Yeah.
Like and then for the decoration when you make the Ethiopian coffee ceremony, that's how you do it.
It's a part of the coffee ceremony for sure, or wedding and stuff. And this is the roasted one.
This is the roasted coffee. That's how you roast it. The difference is this is hand roast coffee. We use open pan, and then we roast it.
So this
as
is
you
like
see it, like
home.
it's not all of it evenly cooked.
Right.
You see it?
Rightfully so.
Yes. So that way, like when you make your coffee, you'll have that 2 or 3 different buttery taste in it, because you have unroasted, like dark roast, light roast, and everything. There's 3 kind of it as you see it. So when you make it, when you make the coffee, you get the flavor.
Yes.
Most places have like
just
that different taste.
Yes. This is legit, and it smells so good, you guys.
Yeah. So
coffee is like obviously good, but the smell.
Of course, I can't live without that.
Yes.
Especially Ethiopian coffee.
Yes. So as you can see, they have almost everything, including music, and they also have traditional drinks that you can purchase. They have like meat, they have like powders for injera, how to make it. They also have restaurants in the back, which is amazing. Their food is one of my favorite. I've known them for so many years, and so I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's go in the back. So as you know, we're masked up because of COVID. They're not fully open at the restaurant, but you can take food out. And their food, honestly, is so incredibly so good. And I can't even, like, you have to taste it and able to know the difference, right? Because if I cook it, you will know. Anyway, so this is the back side of their store where they cook, and sometimes they have people. Obviously, it's quiet right now. There's nobody here, but you can order food in the back. All right. So we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this episode and took you guys shopping. So right now, we wanted to say thank you for hanging out with us. Till next time. Bye.